Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Xbox Live account where your PubG progress is stored. Once signed in, open PubG on PC so the game can detect external credentials. This is required to link. Make sure you have the same Xbox account email and password available, and keep two-step verification handy if enabled. Doing this now prevents account mismatches later and speeds the linking flow. So start these steps before proceeding to the in-game account linking screens. You navigate PubG settings to account and choose Link Console Account. This triggers the Xbox linking flow. Once selected, pick Xbox and follow prompts. Accept permissions so PubG can read your Xbox ID and save progress. Make sure the Xbox account shown matches the one you used on console. If it differs, cancel and sign into the correct account. Once approved, the game writes your console profile to the PC profile, which is why confirming the ID matters to avoid overwriting progress. You finish by restarting PubG on PC to let the server sync, and then verify your items, BP, and crates. If nothing appears, make sure you signed into the exact same Xbox Live account on both devices. Sign out and sign back in on console and PC, then repeat the link flow. If issues persist, gather your account ID and screenshots, then contact support for assistance. This preserves evidence and speeds resolution because they can match server records to your accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.